guys, welcome back to the Blaxstones show. It's your girl Rashida and I am here with a completely different video from what we're used to doing. It's an unboxing of a headband wig. I think I'm a little late to the trend, but headband wigs have kind of been like in just because of how easy it is, how versatile it is. I do already wear wigs and I have a couple of wigs that I use, but I really just don't like the whole concept of like putting the glue on, having it dry. Like that process is just a lot for me. I've tried it before and I do it pretty okay, but I still feel like I have issues with like trying to make the wig look like it's real, and just the glue process. I really just hate having the glue just like all right here. It's just a lot. And who doesn't love a good headband wig? Like, throw that thing on and go. In my previous videos, as you guys saw, I did have passion twists in. I decided it was kind of time to take those out, and I really didn't want to get my hair done anymore. I really wanted to just let my hair breathe. I have really thin edges, and every time I get braids or anything to do with my edges, they just get thinner and thinner. So I decided to just get this headband wig, make it easy for me, and to also be able to take care of my real natural hair underneath. As you guys can see, I can't braid to save my life. So I had to be able to lay it flat. We're gonna go ahead and start on unboxing the wig. I have the wig right here. I got it delivered to me on, I think, Monday. So I took out my twist today. I washed my hair. I deep conditioned my hair, blow dried it, put a little leave-in conditioner oil. Y'all know the whole natural hair process. I have been natural for a couple years now. Super excited. I've been wanting to open this box for a while now. Other things I have here, I have some scissors to help me open it, just in case I'm struggling with the package. I do have a couple of bobby pins here because I think I'm probably gonna try the wig on. Obviously, I have the gel I use, and I use Hicks edges. I also use Eco Styler gel, but specifically for my edges, I use the Hicks edges. I don't know if y'all can see that. This thing is like $15 a container, but I really do like them. I feel like these are really probably the only edge control that works best on my hair. I haven't tried others like the Gorilla Glue and stuff like that, but I do use this faithfully. I feel like it works best. I also have a comb here just in case I need it. I have my edge brush here, which I don't think I'm gonna use because it's already late. It's like 9 o'clock in Atlanta right now. So I'm probably not laying any type of edges tonight, but I do wanna just be able to put on the wig and I guess like brush my edges to see what it looks like. So I have all these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on opening this package to see what it looks like. All right, y'all. Let's put these scissors in, shall we? All right, guys, so it came with this cute little purple box. It's so cute. Oh yeah, I forgot to say where I got the hair from. So I got the hair from this company called Luvme Hair. I found them on Instagram and I kind of Googled them, and I got a lot of good reviews. Obviously there's some bad reviews in there, but I got a lot of good reviews from their headband wigs specifically. I also got good reviews on other companies. So if I do like this headband wig, I'm probably gonna order more from this company. So the wig that I got from this company is their 20-inch deep wave headband wig. After I placed my order, I kind of was like, damn, I should have ordered a 22. But it's all good because I like really long hair, but it's all good. It is what it is. I ordered a 20-inch will work. So this is the packaging. Like I said, really cute royal purple packaging. It's so cute. Definitely use this for something else. All right, so we're just gonna take that. Ooh, okay, and it came with this little enjoy your hair journey. Cute, thank you, Helena, the founder. Came with a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox, but this is what the packaging looks like. Cute little container. So this is the actual wig, and we'll get to this last, and they have their little logo on it. They got their logo on damn near everything. This is, I guess, their little brochure for you to look at, how to care for your wig, how to use your wig, frequently asked questions, and then it got the return policy and the refund policy there on the back. We'll see, we'll hold on to that. We'll see if I need that or not. Here we have this cute little pouch, and it also has their little logo on it. I don't know if you can see that. Real cute and closely. If I can open this up. Oops, shouldn't be cussing. Oh, I don't like this. I can't open this. y'all, let me try to open this. Babe, I'm in the middle of this unboxing and I can't open this. I need you to come open it for me.
Serious.
Let's say hi to the people. No, I have scissors up here. I don't want to cut it though. This is pretty. You might as well come upstairs. It's late. Are you coming up here? I don't know why you just didn't hang up the phone. All right, guys. So Brian's gonna try to help me open this. See, you can't do it either. We'll be right back. Okay, so while he's trying to figure that out, because we're probably just gonna cut it, because I ain't got time for that right now. It also came with wig caps, the 2-piece wig cap. It also came with this little container here, a whole bunch of headbands. Sorry, y'all, I gotta make sure you don't smell funny. So it came with like multiple little cute little headbands. So we got cheetah, one I'm feeling a little camouflage, a little gray, yellow. Oh, I like this one. This one's cute. It's a little summery. Thank you. Headband. Oh, sir. Thank you. All right. So came with a bunch of headbands. You can switch up your headbands as you like. Getting to this. I don't know what this is, but all right. Oh, this is, okay, so it came with a little edge brush. There's a lot of stuff in here. It got tweezers. It got a little pen with their logo on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can't really see it, but it's cute. Also came with some bobby pins. Look at God, I need some more bobby pins. Y'all see my bobby pin container? Got empty. Oh, okay. Like my little edges down. Okay. Yeah, they got their logo on everything. It's all good though. Yeah, so this little package that took me and my husband forever to open came with a lot of cute stuff. It got a lot of goodies. I really thought that I was just getting a wig, and I got like accessories to throw my wig on. So, all right, so let's get to this her. Okay. Y'all, I'm so nervous. I don't know, it's just like, God, is it gonna look right? Is it gonna fit right? Let us pray. Okay. I'm sorry, every time I get hair, I always smell it. And even though I wash it anyway, I still like smell it. It doesn't stink or anything, so that's a good thing. All right, got the little hairnet on, and this is exactly what the hair looks like in its natural state. So like I said, I got the 20-inch deep wave. Take this little net off. It comes with a black headband already with it. And then it has the combs on the inside. It has 4 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and 1 on the front. I don't know if I'm gonna put the back comb on, because the back comb, if y'all got any suggestions or tips, let me know. But the back combs, anytime I wear wigs, always scratch up the back of my head. It could be because I don't wear wig caps. And then I did hear in a lot of the reviews, a lot of people were saying that the cap was actually small. So I'm gonna try it on, because I do feel like I got a big ass head. So, and then it got little adjustable headband straps with a little Velcro. So I'm not gonna tease it or anything. I'm just gonna wear it like this in its natural state. And then once I put it on, we'll see. But yes, I am gonna try it on right now, and then I'll wash it when I'm really ready to put it on. I'll probably wash it tonight, because I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow. So, let me go ahead and get my wig camps. All right, guys. So I got the headband wig on. I tried to do somewhat of some type of edges, but I like it. Cute. The cap feels good. I just gotta work on doing my edges, y'all. I'm not good with doing my edges, but this. Tease it a little bit, but I'm definitely gonna wash it. So let's see if I'll just like tease the front a little bit. I be seeing girls doing this little top knot thing. Okay. I'm not great with doing top knots, but of course I have to play with this hair a little bit, because like I said, I'm not an expert at wigs. but I'm gonna try to lay my edges a little bit better. But so far I do like the wig. I feel like it's sturdy and it won't like slide off or anything. All right guys, I really do like this wig. Like I said, I'm not gonna tweeze or anything yet. I'm gonna actually wash it with a little conditioner and see what I think about it, but I'll try to post some videos. All right guys, thanks y'all. Thanks for watching. We got some more content coming for y'all. Please be sure to make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever we post a video. We do have a couple videos coming for you guys soon. I know we say that all the time, but we do have some in the works. Y'all, they're coming. All right, guys. Peace. Peace. Who the hell says peace? All right, y'all. Holla at me later. I can't get the right ending. Y'all can clearly see that I need my husband to record. So, we're gonna end this video right here.